Good afternoon. I will demonstrate the proper procedure for transferring a patient from bed to a chair to a bed. First, I will review the patient chart and nursing care plan, mobility status, IV lines, tubes, incision, and any movement. I will perform hand hygiene and wear gloves. First, I will disinfect my hand, then I will Madelo, your student nurse from Our Lady of Fatima University. May I know your name and birthday, ma'am?
Shirin Rosales po, and January 14, 2007.
May I check your ID band, ma'am, for verification? Next, I will close the curtain po for your privacy. Next, position the bed. I will lower the bed and raise the head of the bed to a sitting position. This position facilitates movement and reduces the effort required for the patient to set up. Next, I will lock the bed wheels and place the chair beside the bed. Then I will also lock the chair wheels. Locking the equipment prevents movement during transfer and promotes patient safety. Next, I will lower the side rail and stand near the patient's hip with a wide base of support. Proper body mechanics improve stability and reduce the risk of musculoskeletal injury. Please turn toward me and swing your legs over the side of the bed, and I will support your shoulders. Using gravity and proper mechanics facilitates movement while protecting the nurse's back. Next, I will apply the guilt belt around your waist. The guilt belt provides a secure grip and reduces injury risk during transfer. Okay po, ma'am. Next po, ililipat ko na po kayo sa chair. Next po, pwede niyo po bang ibaba sa floor yung paa niyo? Okay po. Next po, in count 1, 2, 3 po, ililipat ko po kayo from chair to a bed. Okay po. Okay po, ma'am. Next po, gagawin ko po, ihiga ko po kayo. May nararamdaman po ba kayong, ma'am? Or comfortable po ba kayo?
Yes po.
Okay po. I will remove my gloves. Then, I will use alcohol to disinfect my hands. So, now we're done to our assessment. Patient transferred safely from bed to a chair with assistant. And that's all. Thank you.